why do we need or do we need a real estate attorney for a successful lease negotiation? And for the past 23 years, I've always opened or argued that it's extremely important to have a real estate attorney to help you negotiate your lease. And here's why. A broker is there to minimize cost, and an attorney is there to minimize risk. A commercial real estate broker, by definition, is not a real estate attorney, nor can I put myself out there as an attorney. So the reason why you have both a broker and an attorney is to maximize your results that you're going to get. So brokers are going to be there to make sure your rent is lower, your tenant improvement dollars are higher, you get more free rent, you have smaller escalations, smaller securitization, security deposits. But an attorney is going to go through the lease and in those minute details, figure out ways in which you can minimize the risk that's associated with that lease. And actually, Illinois requires a real estate attorney for residential purchases, but in commercial, we don't require you to have an attorney. We always recommend that because you will get a better lease. Real estate attorney, not a trust and estate attorney, not a tax attorney, not a family law attorney, not a criminal attorney. None of those are going to know the intricacies of real estate law, whereas an experienced real estate attorney is going to be able to understand where you can actually make headways with the negotiation and where you're not going to be able to make any progress negotiating at a certain point. Whereas non-real estate attorneys, they're going to look at a lease and they're going to say, wow, nothing in here is in the tenant's favor. And that's true. A lot of the things are going to be in the landlord's favor, especially if you're not a full floor tenant or an anchor tenant. If you're 5,000 feet, 10,000 feet, not a lot of the things are going to be in your favor, but with a proper real estate attorney working in conjunction with a broker, we will be able to structure that lease and so as it minimizes the risk to you. And we really only focus on the things that are going to matter, that might come to fruition, and that might cost money to remedy. Those are the things that a real estate attorney are going to focus on, ultimately saving you time and money in the end while securing you a very favorable lease.